How to edit and change your political view on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click on your profile here. Once you're here, click test 3 points and then click edit profile. Now scroll down until you find this one, beliefs. Then just click political views and change it. It's easy, and then click this save icon, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.